puppies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to introduce Pepper. This is my new puppy. I got her 3 weeks ago. She is a 13-week-old rat terrier. Say hi, Pepper. So today I'm going to be showing you my first dog and puppy related video. There's going to be lots more coming soon, but this is an easy organization system that you can use when you're trying to get out of the house with your puppy or dog. So this is what the basket looks like when it's completely assembled, and I will show you guys what all is in it. So starting off, this is just a little caddy from Dollar Tree, so it was $1. And then I have these wipes in here, which are just the Equate flushable wipes. They're just the only wipes we have, so that's why I use those. And then we have her leash right here. Which, here's a tip: if you're about to get a puppy, don't buy the cheap leashes from Walmart, because we've only had the puppy 3 weeks, and I had already sew this up again because it was breaking and fraying and stuff. So be sure to get a higher quality leash than just the cheapest one at Walmart. Then we have her little pacifier toy, so that we can give her in case she needs to chew on something in the car. This is just a teether pacifier from Walmart that we got for her. And then we have a tennis ball for her in the car as well. And it's just, I can actually read what brand it is. It's just a regular tennis ball though. Then we have 2 old towels for her in the car, in case she needs those. Then we have just a little Tupperware container of water for her, and 1 serving of food in case she needs to eat while we're out. And we just feed her the Purina Pro Plan for puppies, and that's what this is. And then a bottle of water in case she needs to replenish her water. So we just put this in a little cubby in our utility room, so that if we need to take her anywhere, we can just pull it out, and that's why we call it the Pepper Go Kit. We can just pull it out and take it with us if we're going to take her. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and of course if you would like to see more of Pepper. I will see you guys next week. Bye! Pepper, come here, girl. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Sit, girl. Sit. Good girl. Pepper.